Hi everyone, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: parallel array sorting with comparator interface in Java programming. So first of all, what is this parallel array sorting in Java? So this concept was introduced in Java 8 version or JDK 1.8. So here arrays class is used to sort array elements parallel. So here we have new methods which are added to java.util.Arrays class in java.util package. Okay, so using which we can sort arrays in parallel. So for this we have parallel sort method. So these are overloaded methods with primitive data types and comparable objects. So now we are going to see how to sort the elements of an array using parallel sort overloaded methods, and all these are static methods which are available in java.util.Arrays on a collection of objects. Okay, so we are going to discuss that on collection of objects, and those collection of objects should be comparable. They should be inherited from comparable, right? So for that, what are the specific methods which are available here? So open the command prompt and issue the command java p-p java.util.arrays. Now in this class we have overloaded methods of parallel sort with all the primitive data types, and along with these methods we also have methods, okay, to sort parallel sort t array. Okay, so where t should be comparable, and here we are going to decide the order of the objects using comparator interface, right? So we also have one more overloaded method, t array int comma int. So here from given index to given index we can sort the elements with comparator interface. So comparator interface is available in java.util package. So we have to pass the object reference of comparable interface. So if you see the description of the comparable interface, okay, so in comparable interface, comparator interface of java.util package, we have only one abstract method which need to be redefined in our subclass, which is compare first object comma second object, and it will return a value greater than 0. I mean, it will return a value either +1 or -1. If it returns +1, first object is added before second object. If it returns -1, and if it returns +1, then first object is added after second object. Okay, right. So we also have one more abstract method, equals method. So no need to redefine this method, it is inherited from the object class, right? So comparator interface from util package. So this object, subclass object, okay, of this interface we have to pass as a parameter to, okay, parallel sort method t array comparator, t array starting index ending index comparator interface, right? So the default order is ascending order. Using comparator interface input parameter to the parallel sort method, we are going to decide the ascending order or descending order. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program, parallel arrays sort example 2. So take a new page. So first we'll write the comments at the beginning of the program. So import java.util package which contains arrays class and comparator interface, and then take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. So we are taking integer array, okay, so better to take a object array. So our integer object array is ARR. So we are taking some integer values. So all these are considered to be wrapper class objects array of type integer class. So first we'll print array elements before sorting. So use the for each loop for int I. Assign the array. One element from the integer array will be assigned to I. So print I with a space. Right, so let us execute till here. Okay. So put proper comment for the remaining cases. And so save this program, come to the command prompt and then compile. So parallel arrays sort example 2.java. Right, no error, and then run it. So this is the array elements before sorting: 15, 18, 11, 10, 16, 19, 23 and 14. So the same order in which we have given the elements in the array, integer array. Right, so now let us create an object of comparator interface subclass. So I'm taking a comparator interface at the bottom of the program. So comparator interface subclass, my comparator class implements comparator interface. So in comparator interface, we have compare method. So redefine that compare method, which returns integer as value, +1 or -1. So for this, I'm taking two objects as input parameters, object obj1, obj2. I'm converting this obj1, obj2 into integer class object and storing that in x, y. And I'm checking if x dot compare to of 5. So we have compare to method available for all the wrapper classes. Okay, byte, short, int, long, float, double, character and boolean, integer and character. So if it returns greater than 0, then first object is greater than second object. If first object is greater than second object, I'm returning +1. Okay, right, so I'll return here -1 initially, else +1. So if first object is greater than second object, I'm returning -1. -1 means first object will be added before second object. So that will become descending order. Okay, else I'm returning +1. Okay, so save this program and then create an object of my comparator class MCC and pass this as a parameter to parallelSort static method, which belongs to arrays class. And for this, first input parameter is integer array arr mcc. So automatically what happens is compare method is called, all the elements are compared. Okay, and then they will be given in descending order. So I'm printing array elements after sorting. So use the same for each loop and print all the elements. So save this, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So 23, 19, 18, 16, 15, 14, 11, 10. So we got this descending order because of this +1 and -1. So for example, if I take return +1 and here -1. So if I return +1, automatically what happens? So first object is added after second object, because this will become the return type of compare int. Okay, right, so save this, recompile and run. So automatically it will become ascending order: 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 23. Previously we got descending order. So this is how, using comparator interface, we can decide the order of, okay, parallel sort. Now we can also do this parallel sorting from given index to given index. So put comment for the previous case. Same example, we have to make a small change here. Arrays dot parallel sort. So pass the integer arrays input parameter. Second index to sixth index means it will take only 5th index. Last index is not included. Pass MCC here, which is my comparator class object. Okay, right, and then what we'll do is, so initially we'll return here +1 means descending order, else -1. Okay, so -1 and then +1. So it will give the descending order for second index, third index, fourth index and fifth index. So save this program, come to the command prompt, recompile and run. So what are the elements at second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index? So 11, 10, 16, 19, we got it in descending order. Only those 4 elements. Remaining elements 15, 18, are not sorted, 23, 14 are not sorted. They are as it is in the given integer array. So only these 4 elements are given in descending order. Now in the my comparator interface, if I return if condition +1 else condition -1, then it will take the ascending order. Recompile and run. Right. So 11, 10, 16, 19, 2, 3, 4, 5 indexes 10, 11, 16, 19. We got ascending order. Remaining elements are as it is in the integer array. So this is how comparator interface decides the sorting order of our objects using parallel sort method, which is provided by arrays class in java.util package. Thank you for watching and listening to this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.